Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a beautiful jura stick from a simple ice cream stick. Take your ice cream stick and carefully sharpen one end to give it a pointed tip. Take your thread and start wrapping it around the top of the stick. This will give it a nice decorative look. Secure the thread with beads. You can get creative here and use any colors of a style of beads that you like. Finally, make sure everything is securely attached and looks neat. Let the glue dry completely before using your new jura stick. And there you have it, a beautiful handmade jura stick that you can use to style your hair or give as a gift. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more DIY projects. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.